Good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. For our air conditioning lecture through YouTube, I would like to elaborate more on this subject. Sometimes in the problems that we are going to solve, we will be encountering chart, charts and tables. I know these tables are, some of them are readily available through the internet. And as I told you, there are some tables and charts in the text references that we are using for the subject. I just want to show you the psychrometric chart. This is the psychrometric chart. As you can see there, when you don't have to what to call this draw it like this, but if you have the charts itself, you will find that the percent relative humidity, the saturation line on the top, and if you want to make it clear, you can draw it in your bond paper, showing the percent relative humidity, and then the temperature, the condition there, the temperature 1, the temperature 2, say at 16 degrees centigrade, the temperature 3 is 30 degrees centigrade. From that point, you can get the enthalpy there, the H1 or and the H2. And by projecting it to the right side of the chart, you will see that the humidity ratio, which we call the W, in terms of kilogram water vapor and kilogram dry air. And as you drop it downward, you can see also the specific volume in cubic meter per kilogram. This is just to show you how it works. But of course, in the board exam, all of these things are already given. You don't need this in the board exam. But of course, during this course of study, you have to learn it, how it works and how it's being used for familiarization. Because you just don't say it. What is psychology? What is this? And one more thing, that the design of the building that I've given you, the three-story building, the requirements for the air conditioning system, you need to you need to view the floor plan. The floor plan there will do the floor plan per floor. Say this one is the ground floor. The ground floor will show how the air ducts run, and then the second floor, and then the third floor. Separate, separate all its floor. I will post the corresponding procedures, the it gain calculations, then some of the parameters that needed in this design. Yeah, this is just easy. This is for the purpose of familiarization for and so that you have the idea or you have the knowledge on how it works. But an actual design is a bit different. But you need to know this theoretical concept. If you are an experienced engineer, you don't even need those data. If you are an experienced mechanical engineer, you only need to know the specifications of the building. You only need to inspect the building and you will know what is the capacity of the air conditioning system that it will be needed. But of course, during the course of computations, you have to show it. You have to show there's data. In the board exam, it's straightforward. All the data is there. Even if you need in your problem solving, it's given. All of it. So you don't really need the book there. And of course, here in the class, you have to research. As I told you in the other chapters, you have to do research. You have to do something that is not given in the corresponding undertaking for this design, what they are doing. What is important to me is you know how to do this theoretically, and you know how it works, and you are prepared for an actual work after this, after your board exam. Of course, you have to take the board exam. Some of you maybe school will not bother to take it, but it's important to have the license. You know, sometimes the license is a little important also. When you sign the plan or you sign the report, you need a license. You cannot sign it without a license. And in mechanical engineering, for bigger capacity, you need not only to register mechanically, but you need to be a professional mechanical. One level higher, and this is being taken in another subject, contracts, or the ethics, laws and ethics for the mechanical engineering laws. Then this design that you are doing, you can submit it by the end of this cycle, which is March, the last week of March. So if you have started this by doing the floor plan, you have it advanced already. You have all you need to do is to put the design proper computation. I will keep you the design procedures. I will post it to the laboratory. I will conduct on Google Class. But in my conditioning, the important there is you know where the air came from or where the air flows. You have the mixing of air, you have the energy balance, which is includes the mass of air and the enthalpy of this one. So as I have posted on this subject, we have discussed there a new discussion course, heating and cooling, where the air passes through the heater or cooler. This is represented by heat. The Q is the heat. So by energy balance, you can always manipulate the mass of the air and the heat and the enthalpy. As shown on my sample problem there. The one that I showed you, the cyclometric chart, is the way of did, how we got the enthalpy there. That we are proving the process of calculations and the process of psychology. Okay. The most important thing is how you understand. You have to analyze the analytical thinking or the critical thinking is the most important thing. You need to analyze the problem very, very carefully. Sometimes the problem, if you don't think very carefully, then you will maybe a little good research and good analysis is the way to this kind of situation or this kind of mechanical engineering problem. The air conditioning system is a bit the same with refrigeration system. The process is the same, cooling. This one is the cool room below room temperature. Yes, the standard room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. And to put an air conditioning system, you need to lower it down to a certain degree, maybe about 18, 20 degrees centigrade, and lower than that also. But sometimes you just arrive at a certain degree of cooling, so it's 15 degrees centigrade, it's okay already. 20 degrees centigrade is okay. Depends on the body of body temperature or how you feel it or how how you can manage the whole whole effect on the surroundings. So I think that's it for it. That's it for now. So the meantime, I have to pause the design procedures. I don't know about that.